Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your camera is not working in your laptop or PC. I'll show you the quick way to fix this issue. So first go to settings, and then afterwards go to privacy and security, and then search for camera. So type camera and camera privacy settings. I will go over here in the camera privacy settings, and then I'm going to turn the camera access turn on. So let me just turn it on, and then I'm going to give an access to different apps. Like for instance, I want to give an access to Microsoft Teams, and the reason I'm giving it an access because I use Microsoft Teams to have a video call. So therefore, I'll be requiring the camera option to be turned on. So like for instance, I don't want to give an access to Xbox because I don't use this app. So okay, all other settings are okay. This is first step. The second step that you can do is you can go to device manager and look for camera related driver. So now after that you will go to the view, and then you will click show hidden devices. After that you will go in the camera section and look for your camera driver. So my camera driver is this one, integrated camera. So what I'm going to do is I will uninstall the driver and I will reinstall again. So after this I'm going to restart my computer, and the computer will automatically install the latest camera driver in my system. So just quickly do it. Uninstall, click uninstall, and look, it has been uninstalled. After this I'm going to restart my computer, so I will see you after the restart. So I've done the restart and the latest driver has been installed. Let me just go to the device manager again, and then I will go to the camera. Look, the latest driver has been installed. This driver has been installed again. Now if the issue is still there, if the issue is not fixed, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset the camera app. So for that I will type camera, and look, I will go to app settings, and after that I will go over here and I will click this option called reset. Just quickly reset this, and then after that, once this is done, we will restart our computer again. Now this is done. Now it's the time to restart our computer. So I've done the restart, and I hope the issue is resolved after performing all these steps. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.